For this still life photography backdrop, I'm using a vintage baking tray I found at a thrift store. It's a great, affordable way to get a textured backdrop, and the best part is I can use either side for creating different looks. For props, I'm using 2 vintage CDV photographs, a brooch, and a velvet ribbon. For this session, I used a Rebel T6i APS-C camera with a 50mm f1.8 lens and a strobe for lighting. I edited these images in Lightroom. Color toning can dramatically change the mood and even the color of the backdrop. This first image has a deep green tone, which gives it the look of oxidized copper. For this next image, I used an orange tone to shift the ribbon's pink color into an orange-red, giving the photo a more dramatic look. And for this final image, I applied a dark yellow tone to give the portrait a quiet, mysterious feel.